Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to upload a company financial statement PDF and generate a valuation and credit risk analysis with our valuation software. So you start by uploading a PDF that contains the company's full financial statements, and remember that the quality of the analysis depends on the quality of the inputs. You can upload financial statements from companies worldwide, and scanned PDFs work too, as we use OCR to extract the numbers. And you can start right away with no credit card required. After uploading, create an account to access the analysis. You can sign in with Google or LinkedIn or with email. And if you register with email, you need to confirm your email address first. And once you have been verified, you can access your uploaded companies and manage them. So it will take you to this page, and I skip the processing steps that it takes to process the PDF, but this is what the page looks like. So here you can see all the companies you've imported. Check the processing status and immediately access the valuation and credit risk results. You can download the valuation and credit risk reports as PDFs, export the financial model into Excel. You can upload new PDFs and then purchase additional credits when needed. Let's check quickly what the PDF looks like. So here's a quick preview, should look like this. And if you want to further deep dive on the model, you just press here, view model. It should take you to this page. So here on the left you see the key visuals such as company's credit risk rating and some profitability trends. On the right here you see the core tables including income statement, balance sheet and other summary figures, and this page gives you a quick overall view of the company's financial health and the most important metrics. One of the most important features in our software is the change estimates part, and here you can edit the figures shown on the page, such as key forecast values and assumptions. You can also adjust the graphs here directly by dragging them with your cursor. And whenever you change a value, let's take an example here. Whenever you change a value, the related figures are recalculated automatically, so the model always stays updated. And after that you can save the changes, for example, as a new model. Alright, and here you can access the different models you saved. Then let's move forward to the financial statements tab. This shows you the full breakdown of the income statement and balance sheet line by line, and this is where you can review the extracted financials in detail and adjust them and any numbers as needed. Then the valuation tab. This shows how the company value is built and which components drive the final valuation. Here you can see the main valuation methods such as PE, EV over EBITDA and discounted cash flow, together with their contribution to the company value. You can also directly edit these key valuation figures and assumptions here on this page, for example the multiples and weights and other core valuation drivers, and then recalculate the valuation based on your changes. Next, the bankruptcy risk comparisons tab. This explains the company's credit risk and shows how the company compares to other companies in the dataset based on equity ratio and return on assets. The chart is red so that greener areas indicate stronger financial health, while redder areas indicate weaker financial health. And your company is marked on the chart so you can quickly see whether its position looks typical or unusual compared with similar companies. And if the company appears as an outlier, for example, a red point in a greener area or a green point in a weaker area, this AI generated bankruptcy risk explanation is especially useful because it helps to explain which underlying factors may be causing that exception. Then the variable visualization tab. This shows distributions and percentiles for key financial ratios. For example, here you can see return on assets and how your company compares with overall distribution. This helps you understand where the company stands compared with other companies in terms of profitability and other key financial metrics. Now we're back on the first PDF import page. So this was the most important one, where you could manage your uploads and download reports and take the model to Excel, etc. Every registered user gets 1 free upload credit per month, and you can purchase additional credits directly from this page when needed. So I think that's it. To learn more about Valuatum, you can visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.